Hello beauties, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make a DIY peel-off face mask that you can do every time at home to get rid of blackhead, whitehead, excess dirt and oils from your skin, and also unwanted hair from your face. If you're interested in that, then keep watching.
Just staring up the sky, I was always in denial of what I saw right in front of me. And every time I'm so damn lost to what I love.
For this peel-off face mask, we're going to need some honey, some warm milk. I have 2 tablespoons of warm milk. I also have gelatin as a binding agent. I have my tea tree oil. So in my bowl of milk, I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of gelatin. Milk helps to lighten and brighten the skin. It reduces early signs of aging. It also helps to moisturize and exfoliate the skin. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of gelatin and mix until it is completely dissolved. The protein and amino acids in gelatin can help to build collagen for the body, which is very great. If it is too runny, you add more gelatin, and if it is too thick, you add more milk. So I'm just going to mix until it is completely dissolved, and this is how it should look. So once that is done, I'm going to add honey. I'm going to add about 1 teaspoon of honey. Honey helps to moisturize the skin. It also acts as a pore cleanser. It helps to gently exfoliate the skin. It lightens scars and helps with sunburn. So I'm just going to mix until everything is well combined, and then I'm going to add about 5 drops of tea tree oil. Tea tree oil has anti-inflammatory properties, antibacterial properties. It helps to relieve pain, redness and itching. So this is how your mixture should look like. So my mixture is ready. This is how it is looking. I'm going to use this makeup brush to apply it on my face, and you want to make sure your face is clean. Wash your face and then make it dry. So I'm just going to take this brush and I'll apply a thin layer all over my face, and you make sure you avoid your eyebrow, your hairline, under your eyes, because under your eye is very sensitive, and your hairline and your eyebrow, you don't want to remove the hair from there. Okay, so let's start. It feels so good on my skin. It's just warm. You want to make sure the milk you used is not very hot. Even when it's hot, just allow it to cool down. You want to allow it to be warm so it doesn't burn your skin. Very careful with your eyebrow and your hairline, except you want to remove them, of course. Okay, so I'm done applying everything on my skin. I'm just going to allow this for about 30 minutes to allow it dry and do its work before I peel it off. So this is about 20 minutes later, and you can see that the face mask is completely dry, and I just want to start peeling it off. Okay, so you want to go ahead and gently peel it. Ooh, this is painful, and this is so oddly satisfying. So it's easier to start from the bottom of your face and then you work your way up. Ooh. Ooh, this side is more painful because of my hair by that side. Ooh. So I'm done peeling everything off, and this is how it is looking. When I look closely, I don't know if you guys can see, it removed like my white head and my black head and some hair from my face. This mask is definitely good, and my face feels a lot more smoother. It feels so smooth, like baby skin. So I'm just going to go ahead and rinse off the excess mask from my skin, and I'll come back. So this is how my skin looks after rinsing it off with cold water. My face definitely feels smoother to the touch. It looks more polished, and it has gotten rid of like the excess oils and gunk from my skin. So this mask you can always try at home. You can try it once a week. You can just introduce it into your skincare routine. Thank you so much for watching this video. Give me a thumbs up, and when you try this mask, let me know in the comment section how it turned out. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.